Hey beautiful ones, good morning and welcome to my channel. My name is Dion Glasgow Douglas and here I share with you life's journey and life's learning. Today I'm sharing with you a simple recipe for constipation. You might say, why constipation? Because this is actually the number one problem that people say they have when they go to the doctor. And at least in the United States, we have 4 million people suffering from constipation. So I think that it's important to address this with our food. So today what we're going to do, we are going to make a smoothie for constipation. All right, so what are we going to add to the smoothie? We're going to add 2 leaves of kale. Yes, and these two, this is going to give us our vitamin A and our vitamin K. And this is also anti-inflammatory. You want to hear that word a lot when you're putting things in your body, in your system, anti-inflammatory. Then we're going to add ginger, all right? This is like, I would say 2 thumb or a thumb and a half of ginger. The ginger will really help our body to absorb the smoothie that we're drinking, and this is also anti-inflammatory. Remember that word? Yes, we want to really embrace that word. Now, banana, 1 banana we're going to add to it. Banana is what is called antacid. That is to say, this would aid in the digestion process. So we really want to add 1 banana to this smoothie. Now, the reason why we have constipation is because our gut is not getting enough fiber. So how are we going to add the fiber? This is how we're going to add the fiber. We are going to start with chia seed. Now, this also will give us what is called our omega-3 fatty acids, and it will also give us the fiber we need. But this will not suffice. So we're going to add also almond. Almond nuts will also give us the fiber we need, and this will add some necessary, needed, and vital fats. And we're not going to stop there with the fat. We're going to add some pieces of coconut to this smoothie, and we're going to mix it all together, and then you will see the final product, because I don't want you to hear the noise. All right, so let's see our final product. This, guys, is our finished product. This is our finished smoothie for constipation. Now let's talk about the taste. It is not ultra sweet, but it's not unpleasant either. It is a good taste. Not a fabulous taste, but a good taste. And guess what? Don't think so much about how it goes in. Think about how excellently it will be coming out. All right, bye.